Hey guys, you're at Brian. This is the number one reason why all mechanics and mechanic shops fail. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to avoid this mistake and become a super successful mechanic yourself. Let's get into it. The first reason you're failing as a mechanic is because you're picking the wrong jobs when it comes to working at your shop. A wrong job can absolutely sink all your revenue and put you under really quick. And now what I mean by wrong jobs is most shops are quick to pick the complex jobs or even jobs that may be a headache or just more time consuming over the jobs that make more sense. The jobs that make more sense are maintenance jobs. Having a lot more maintenance job beats and trumps any engine swap job or clutch job or transmission job. I'm not saying it's crazy to do a clutch job, but I'm saying when you're picking up these complex jobs or customers are a little bit more problematic, you're just introducing a bigger headache and you're not able to turn as many cars overall at your shop, whether you own a shop or you're being a mechanic in general. And this goes for mechanic shops as well as being a mobile mechanic. As a mechanic, you've got to learn when to say no, especially with things like this. Maintenance is our bread and butter when it comes to being a mechanic, and you've got to take that with you, whether you're a mobile mechanic or a shop mechanic. It's universal. Again, when you start out, you may think this is not a big deal. You think, oh, cool project cars, I love it. No, you guys got to go for the maintenance. That's where the money's at. But if you don't believe me, feel free to ask everyone in the comments below how many complex jobs that they actually lost money in. I know I've had a couple where I've absolutely lost so many hours, a headache, and a lot of freaking money and time doing a complex job or having an annoying, problematic customer that it paid good initially, but it was actually absolute crap. And I could have done a lot more maintenance jobs in the meantime rather than doing this crap. Now, the second reason why mechanics and mechanic shops fail is because they do not communicate clearly with their customer. If a customer doesn't trust you or understand what's going on, they're not going to return. Now, if you master communication, regular updates, and transparent pricing, you're going to get so far as a mechanic shop or mechanic. All clients want is transparency and to know what's going on. They don't want to feel like they don't know what's going on with their car and they're just being pulled all the way around by a mechanic. You really need to help them realize what's going on with their car, what you're going to do as a mechanic or mechanic shop, and realistically how you can get it done. And if you can get it done, don't try to deliver on something you think you cannot do. Just be transparent with the customer and all will go well. And I know that's easier said than done. Some clientele can be a lot more frustrating than others, but nonetheless, being transparent and communicative is the best route you can go as a mechanic. Remember that. Now really think about it. Someone who's taking their precious car that's really expensive to get repaired, you want to be able to trust that person with everything. So you need to walk them through and help them be reassured on the job that you're going to do and allow people to get to know what's going on. And they're going to trust you so much more and bring back customers for you. So it's a win-win. Be transparent and a lot more will go your way. The good that you put into this field is the good that you're going to get out. Again, you're going to get crazy customers, but nonetheless, that's with every field. Now, the final reason why mechanics and mechanic shops fail is because they're drowning in disorganization, whether it's physical, mental, or in general in the shop. From lost tools to lost follow-ups, lost jobs, and even lost invoicing. Just total complete chaos. And this is what really breaks down a mechanic shop. You have no idea how genuinely important it is to be organized as a mechanic. When you're wasting time looking for a tool in the shop instead of working on your car, that's money. When you're wasting time trying to follow up with a customer you forgot about or a job you lost the invoicing to, that's time and money. And that's a customer or job lost. You want to retain your customer basis, and doing these things is going to lose you so much work. That's why when I streamline everything from scheduling to customer invoicing to customer follow-up and even pricing, I do it with Jobber. So now all that headache and frustration actually turns into efficiency. Jobber actually keeps me organized, and now instead of wasting all this time, I'm actually making fewer mistakes and I'm actually getting my time back for once. And using something like Jobber is genuinely actually going to do that. And again, as a mechanic, it's super important not to waste time and lose clients. This type of system is what takes a struggling shop and makes it into a thriving shop, which is why I recommend Jobber to every mobile mechanic or mechanic shop. Now, if you want to try Jobber for free, be sure to click the link down below. Thank you guys for supporting the brand to support me Garrett Bryan. Again, so many people ignore such a simple thing as organization. Stop wasting time, make yourself more efficient as a mechanic, and you're going to bring in so much revenue. You'll stop failing. So to avoid failures, pick the right job, communicate properly with customers, and pick the right systems and put them in place. That way you'll become the ultimate mechanic and you're not going to fail like the rest of us have commonly done. Learn from your mistakes, whether it's in a job or in a shop setting with a customer. So many mechanics stay stubborn, they stay small-minded, and that's why you will fail and never get far in this field. Now, being a mechanic is not easy, and I never said it was, but the biggest mistake you could ever make as a mechanic is giving up. So many people have given up, and I know you're probably not going to be one of them, especially if you're watching this video. Now, if you want to learn more automotive repair tips, tricks, and advice, be sure to hit that follow button. I post reels absolutely every single day, and I post long form videos a couple times a month. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, hope it helped.